we bring our players to Etaru, right here in downtown Fort Lauderdale. Our unsuspecting participants are Ekblad and Matheson. These guys are both seasoned hockey heroes, but can they take the pressure of becoming world-class sushi chefs with just a 5-minute class? So we're inside, and I have a new best friend, Chef Luca.
Hello.
You. Well, the thing our hockey players don't know is you're going to be picking a winner.
Perfect, let's go.
Sweet, we're bringing the sake.
So yeah, we have some nori, okay, which is some roasted seaweed, please.
Just one, obviously?
Just one, yes. And then you just spread all your rice.
Mike, I'm pretty
I
sure
need way more.
35 seconds. Let's look very good.
He's doing great. You're gonna
Yeah, I'm struggling.
Too much
Oh,
rice,
yours
but
looks
it's good.
horrible.
Press the filling while you roll it.
I think I have a bad knife.
If you will cut in the chopping board, will be better. Instead on the sushi mat. But it's okay, it's up to you. The presentation is up to you, guys.
So you see those lovely people over there? Well, they're hungry. And now you guys are gonna make these rolls and then serve them to us, okay? That's it. Put your arms up. It's over. You guys are not allowed to touch anything.
Well done, guys. Well done.
So we have some sushi to present you.
Rice is perfect, not too much rice, really good.
Chef, do you agree that the ratio is spot on?
Spot on for a beginner is a little bit too much. It's good. It's good. I think it's very artistic way of presentation. What is important for me is the taste.
That's really good.
Taste is going to be, I think, the defining factor here.
You got something right.
Uh-oh, the chef. What does the chef think?
It's good. I will like more crunchiness. Presentation is okay.
All right, we're back. We've taken our Panthers off the ice and into the kitchen, and now we've got to figure out who has rolled the best roll. It was hard decision. I saw you guys talking over there for a while, but do you
It was
have?
a bit tough. Yeah, we do have a group decision. Both maki, to be honest, they were very good. So well done, guys. Artistic, you are the best, Mike. Artistic way, that's how you present your maki, and it was the best, okay? As a flavor, yo was very good.
Oh, thank you so much.
Very
Appreciate
tasty,
it.
very balanced,
Yeah,
okay? So, in base of all this stuff, guys, we said the winner is Aaron. Congratulations.
Appreciate it, that's awesome.
Well done.
Thank you.
I'll wear it with pride.
Very artistic.
Thank you.
Congratulations again.
Thank you.